आयज आमी खूब कॉन्शियस आसा, especially with social media. There's so much of pressure on the right type of presentation. We are all very conscious.
Absolutely.
But in that race of being conscious, we've all kind of forgotten what is the essence. Is you need to be healthy so that it reflects outwards.
Correct.
So when we're talking about oral health and its impact on your mind, for example, कोणाक खुबशे cavities आसा, नाजाल्यार तेका दात खूब डिके जाला, ते स्माइल बरे दिसना, so automatically your confidence is lowered. You're very conscious, be it a young individual, even older individuals. Someone's daat na, you're already looking a little more aged, so that appearance aspect, people are very conscious.
Yes.
And we don't realize how it's affecting your mental health. So you don't want to probably socialize as much, you don't want to go out, you don't want to be amongst your group.
Correct.
You become recluse, and that has its own effects with regards to mental health. Even if we look at, say, bad breath, one of the most common things one encounters. Bad breath, again, people may not tell you.
Correct.
But you will slowly find you're being isolated or left out. So bad breath can also have a great amount of effect on your self-confidence, आणि तुमचे स्वतःचे image मागीर मातशे compromise जाता.
बरोबर.
So these things can all be treated. You just need to go to your dentist, you need to get a checkup, and your dentist will help you pick out all these issues and problems.